I got my second part to my 3-part knit-along Jimmy Bean wool subscription. Now this one is $20 a month. Now the second one I got, that's pretty. It's actually really soft. It feels like it's wool. Okay, there's the card. Let's see what it is. This one is really nice. I really like the colors in that. It is Superwash Merino. Oh, here we go. Shove that back down in there. I love how they put the fiber in it, because then when it ends up in my yarn stash, I know what it is. And let me see, is it a wool wash or lotion? Handmade. This is actually a little lotion packet, and I like this lotion. And, ooh, it's a metal. This is a gauger. And, well, it's a gauger. This one is to gauge stitches for patterns. And this is so if you lose your crochet hook, or if you, sorry, if you don't have your knitting loom, this is a gauger where you can gauge how many stitches per inch you get on a project. And for knitting needles and crochet hooks, you can use this to see exactly what size it is if it's not wrote on your tool. This is a very nice item to have. So that was this month's, and I'm going to give you a refresher from last month, what the pattern was. I got the bag, and I got a soak. Okay, cool. So I have a wash for it. I have hand lotions for myself so far. And I've got 3 things of yarn. Got those 2, and I've got this one. And here is the pattern. Here is the pattern. That's what it's going to look like when it's done. I'm guessing part 1. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm guessing this right here is part 1. And that maybe all that's part 2. I am definitely interested to see what my 3rd box is going to be for this. Alright, thank you guys for watching,